we have successfully retrofitted the rear zone aircon for this Panamera 2017. Yeah, it's a new Panamera. Okay, this touchpad is newly installed, which is got quite a few functions. This is a media. You can change the radio station from the rear seat. Okay. If you don't want to listen, just pause it. You said radio also can be paused. Okay, this is a radio listing, right? Okay. This one you can see the display setting, volume. This is FM. Right? You can choose FM, AM, this, or jukebox, or AUX, or Bluetooth. Right? Okay, this is for the media. Okay, this is climate control. Okay, there's quite a lot of things you can control. The aircon distribution, the air distribution from the front or from the bottom, right? Okay, we see here, got the vents. Okay, so you can turn it off and on, right? So very simplified demonstration, right? The rear off, AC climate sync, rear plus. Okay, this is the vents. This is the vents over here. So we can control the vents like this. You can close it. You see the vents closed, right? Okay, it's closing. And then you can open it. Yeah, it's open. Okay, you can turn the vents to the right. You see, internally it turns to the right. Okay, so it's very nice. And this is the comfort. Yeah, you can choose ionizer things. And this is the seat. You can do the heating balancing, right? You can do the heating balancing like this. And this one is a navigation. Actually, you can set a destination. For example, last destination. You can click stop. Okay, actually the front one, the navigation will be started also. Yeah. So you can set destination. You can choose the favorite destinations. If you choose home, just use home.
Please drive to the show.
Okay. Stop. Change the home location.
The destination
On the rear side. Okay. That one very nice. Okay, that's the whole thing of this rear zone aircon. Very nice feature. Yeah, definitely worth money spent. Thank you.